How's it going, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to tie a mackerel fly. These things are good for fishing mackerel all around the world, especially here in Newfoundland and Labrador. Alright guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the video. And follow if you want. Alright guys. Okay, as you can see now, that hook's a bit bigger than usual. You know, not no salmon hook. As you know, it's for mackerel, so. Anyway, what you want to do is get a bit of red hackle and a bit of yellow hackle. You're gonna haul the tip of it off, and you're gonna tie it on up near the eye of the hook. Like I said, you just do what you do, basically tying a salmon fly. Okay, and the way you want to layer it is red, then yellow, then red, then yellow. And that is pretty much it. If you do that, you repeat that 3 or 4 times on each different hook, you have your set of mackerel flies. As you see now, I'm happy as anything. They're now tying, as I said, now you'll see. Just haul a little part off the tip of it. Yellow. Wrap it around. This way. Just make sure it's all, nice and on there. Like I said, now, this is demonstration here. What you want to do is, now you got this one done, do 2 more, and then tie them onto a piece of line. Or have a piece of line done up with swivels onto it, so change it out. And that would be your mackerel rig. Alright guys? That's pretty much my instruction. Oh, and those hooks, I'm not really sure where you can get them to. I wouldn't doubt you can get them on Amazon. But these personally here were given to me. They were called mustad fish hooks. It was like an old vintage box, so, So you're guaranteed to find something like that on Amazon, though, so. Anyway, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, why not give it a like? Wouldn't hurt, And if you even liked it even more, go subscribe. Alright, guys. Like I said, you must tie it off, too, and put a bit of head cement onto it. Just, do all that stuff. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Peace out.